At this time, I'd like to call your attention to a very special moment in Olds College's history, the presidential installation of Dr. Debbie Thompson. The installation of the president is a modernized version of a centuries-old academic tradition with meaningful symbols grounded in this college and our rich history, leading agriculture education and advancing agriculture for a better world. At this time, I would like to ask our board chair, Al Kemery, and Dr. Debbie Thompson to please come forward and administer the oath of office.
Dr. Debbie Thompson, do you willingly assume the function and the multitude of duties of the office of President and Chief Executive Officer of Olds College of Agriculture and Technology?
I do.
On behalf of the Olds College Board of Governors, I charge you to keep and preserve well and faithfully the mission and vision of Olds College and promote the college's well-being and that of its students, the people, and partners you serve to the best of your ability.
I, Dr. Debbie Thompson, do so accept to preserve well and faithfully the mission and vision of the college and to ensure educational and research excellence on behalf of our students, our people, and our partners we serve.
So, by resolution of the Board of Governors, I hereby confirm the installation of you, Dr. Debbie Thompson, as the 15th President and Chief Executive Officer of Olds College of Agriculture and Technology, with all the rights, authorities, and responsibilities of that office. Congratulations.
In honor of this great occasion, I would like to invite Pam Pichet-Lashmore, Olds College Indigenous Advisor, to the podium.
Indigenous Services, along with Olds College, we would like to gift you. And you have earned this. You have been so supportive. You've shown up for us, and you've come for lots of soup and bannock throughout the years. You've worn your ribbon skirt proudly, and you've been so good. And we adore you, and we're so grateful to have you. I also want to acknowledge that you are the first woman in the history of Olds College of 110 years to be our president. And that is quite an honor. And we love you.
Well, there are some things in the script and there are some things that are not. That was not in my script. Thank you, Pam. That I am speechless. So thank you. Well, good morning, graduates, families, faculty, staff, honored guests, and all members of our Olds College community. Today we gather in celebration, a moment that marks the culmination of hard work, commitment, and dedication. To the class of 2025, you deserve a congratulations. Well, I've experienced many convocations here at Olds College. This year, 2025, will hold a very special place for me. You are the 110th convocating class, but you are the first class I have the honor to celebrate with President of the college. Graduates, you are now part of a long and proud tradition, a community of alumni who are making an impact in Alberta and across the world. But more than that, you are the future of the industries we serve. The future of innovation, the future of stewardship. Wherever your next steps take you, take pride in knowing that Olds College will always be behind you. Congratulations, class of 2025.